Hello, I'm back again. Thank you for coming back to my channel. I don't know why I feel so awkward today. We're gonna try to attempt to do a glass look. I think it originated in Korea, those glass skin looks. They do it with skincare instead of makeup. So I'm gonna attempt to do glass skin with makeup, but on top of that, try to have glass skin with acne. Again, glass skin with acne. If anything, it may not be glass skin, it might just be a no makeup kind of look. So we're just gonna try to go for natural. As always, I'm gonna be putting on my Physicians Formula, my Illuminating primer, my favorite, and oh, that shine. To start this makeup look, we're just gonna go in with concealer today. So I got this new sponge. I think it's called Super Sponge. So basically it's all silicone, so you don't waste any product, and then the bottom not silicone. You can actually buff out and make things look more natural. It's just a beauty blender that is coated in silicone, so then you don't waste any product. So yeah, I haven't actually really used it, so we are going to attempt to cover this with this. We're just gonna see what happens. Oh my god, we're just gonna do concealer. We're not gonna do any foundation. Attempt, because you know, with acne sufferers, you definitely will have some issues when you decide to wear concealer and then you end up needing concealer on half of your face. We're just gonna start with that. That almost looks like as much as I would dot with foundation, so I don't know if that was a good start. So we're gonna test this because I've actually never tried this before. I don't know how I feel about this. Dude, I don't know how I feel about this. Oh yeah, no, it looks a bit better once you like buff it out. I just finished watching the movie 8th Grade. Dude, that hit some heartstrings. I felt so sad after watching that movie. I don't know what to think. I ended the movie. I was like, this whole movie is so sad. I almost cried during the movie. It was like during the part where like, I don't know, honestly all of it. All of it was so sad. Oh my gosh. That was layer 1. Apparently, I'm probably just gonna end up using my finger just because a brush just shears it out way too much, and then I have to end up going in with like 7 layers when I buff it out with a brush. So we're just gonna take a clean finger. There, that is so much better. I think I'm gonna fail this glass skin challenge. This is so bad. Okay, then around the nose. So this was Gina, her last name I think is Shkita. I'm sorry if I messed that up, but she's a YouTuber that does makeup videos. She's basically like the younger version of Megan Fox. She is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Whenever I look at her, I'm just like, she is Megan Fox 2.0. She is like stunning. But anyway, she did this glass skin makeup tutorial and like she looks flawless, of course, and like she has clear skin already. So it's like, why are you putting on foundation or concealer? You look so good already. Basically, I'm trying to follow that, and she actually doesn't put any concealer on in her video. We're gonna see if that will make me look and keep me looking like a zombie, or if it'll actually look more natural. So we ran into another problem. I don't know where my brow products are. We're gonna have to go into like a palette, and I'm gonna have to go into like a brown palette. Dude, this shade of brown does not even look brown. It looks like a reddish brown, like, I don't even know. We're just going to go and roll with the punches. So we're just gonna take my, oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, okay, could be worse. I literally only wear makeup to film now. I just have never been motivated to wear makeup lately. Honestly, also because I just don't care. And like when I wear makeup, I want to be able to feel like I want to wear makeup and not just because I feel like I have to. I don't know if improvising gives me points. And this is why I love makeup, because you make a mistake, you can wash it off. We're a blank canvas, it's super fun. We're gonna look like a Victoria's Secret model after this, so you know, follow the next step. Oh my gosh, I don't know why, I'm just in like such a down mood because I just finished watching 8th Grade, and for some reason that movie literally, it made me feel so down. Like I feel so I feel so sad right now. If any of you watch it, I don't know, maybe I'm the only one. I genuinely felt her pain. It's like when she had an anxiety attack, I'm just like, dang. Is this what it feels like? Some people go through some hard-ish, you know what I'm saying? When you are in middle school and high school, you genuinely think everything matters when nothing matters at all. I thought literally the world was ending when I was in middle school. Man, my middle school days were so, I call them my dark days, because legit, I was so shy. I wore like heavy eyeliner. I relate actually to Kayla, I think her name was like in the 8th Grade movie I just watched. I relate to her a lot, honestly, because in my middle school, like, because I was so shy. Like, I moved also for grade 7, entirely new school, didn't know anyone. I had severe social anxiety. My face would turn bright red whenever anyone talked to me, and I would get so embarrassed. Still kind of am like that, but I'm so much better at controlling it and actually realizing that no one cares what you do. I don't know. I think it's also to do to the fact that when you're that young, you genuinely feel like all eyes are on you. Also, kind of that relates to people that struggle with hormonal acne. People with hormonal acne or acne in general, like, they always think all eyes are on me, like, or people are judging my skin. They're not judging your skin, and if they are, that just shows who they are. Like, it's not a big deal. Anyway, it all segues. It all segues into like one big mess. I don't know what I was saying. Anyway, so I carved my eyebrows as like neat as they will be. I will put on mascara though. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Also in middle school, that's when I got into YouTube, watching a lot of YouTube, and I used to watch so many makeup tutorials. Like, that's all I would watch, makeup tutorial upon makeup tutorial, and like all I wanted to be was like, oh, I wish I was as pretty as her, I wish I was whatever, this and that. I did not know anything about makeup. All I did in middle school, I just put a bunch of black liner, like, and that was it. Oh my god. And I also used to wear like these super high knee socks. Literally, my look was so freaking emo, and I was again so quiet. I remember my first day of middle school, my first like few weeks of middle school, people honestly in my middle school were so nice, and like they would come up to me and genuinely like want to make friends and like try to talk to me and like, you know, be nice. And I just wouldn't respond because I was so shy. I didn't know what to say. So that's maybe why I related so much to that movie. Like, now it's making sense, because middle school was probably like the most I don't want to say dark time. I mean, I guess it was a dark time in regards to like middle schoolers literally think the world is ending. I guess in that regard, yeah, it was a dark time. But yeah, like one of the main things I struggled with so bad was, again, making friends in middle school, because I would just not talk. Oh man. I'm like reliving some of my moments, just like cringing. On the inside, I feel it. But yeah, that was my life. Oh my god. I'll have to read my diary maybe to you guys one day. But yeah, like I had a boyfriend in grade 8, and like again, I was so shy though. We both were so shy. It was a mess. Yeah, there was a lot of drama also, which was like so entertaining now that I think back. But like during the time, I was literally, my life was over. I was crying on the phone. I'm probably making no sense right now, but all I know, middle school was rough. High school was amazing. Oh my god, I love high school, but like middle school, man, I have some stories. Why am I doing this? This is supposed to be natural. I just saw this lying on my table. I'm just like, oh, let's try it out. And I forgot that like if you are going to a festival or a rave or want to literally blind people, go for Artist Couture in the shade Illuminati. I'm gonna just quickly take that off with a finger. I feel like a child because I'm doing so much like finger patting, but that's how you get a natural makeup look. At least for me. Honestly, I think after this is just highlighter. She put on a cream blush, and honestly, I've been actually using this as a cream blush. This is a liquid lipstick, a hashtag girl power liquid lipstick, matte lipstick in the shade Date Night. But yeah, this is such a pretty color. I'm just going to dot that kind of like this. That's probably way too much. This stuff is so good. Actually, I think I'm gonna, this is super pigmented. Just a little like, a little something like that. So I look bitten, I guess. Is that the word? The term? I don't know. I'm just taking the Morphe, I don't know, Jaclyn Hill back in the day. I think I bought this in high school, I think. I don't know. Jaclyn Hill made me buy it. I think this was like when she, oh my god. I'm a failure. It's not over. We still got this. I tried this and it did not look this crazy when I actually tried it on my own. Okay, this cheek does not look as bad, but like this cheek, oh my god, girl. This is still damp, so I'm gonna quickly use the bottom of this. Okay, and then just keep patting it while I do this. And then we're just gonna add highlight, and I think we're gonna, this is not the glass skin look, oh my god. What was I talking about? yeah, I was a mess in middle school. I honestly was surprised that I even had any friends in middle school. Genuinely not like lying, because there's one girl, yeah, she's like one of my best friends and we're still so close. She was the one that initiated. She was my first friendship in middle school. She was the real MVP. I swear I probably would have no friends in middle school if it wasn't for that one girl, aka one of my best friends now. The beauty of this, oh my god. Tati recommended this to me. So many beauty influencers make me buy so many things. Manu MUA made me buy this. Anyway, hence all my like obsession with YouTube. It all started in middle school. I always wanted to start YouTube since middle school, and like, hey, I think my middle school self would be very, very proud right now. Okay, so this is where the glass skin look comes in. And then when did I get into DJ? That's the thing. It's like I got into DJing and YouTube in middle school. Like middle school is where my dreams like, you know, that's where they came alive. I started manifesting in middle school, I guess, if that's what you want to call it. So my middle school self again would be very proud of me. I still have a long way to go and I still have to, you know, work my way to make her very proud. But from where I am and like how I've come this far, like, my middle school self would be pretty proud. And all I want to do is make that little girl, that little insecure girl, know that things will work out. So enough. That was me flicking away my tears. This, again, one of my best friends, she gave me this Sephora palette. This was a Sephora kind of like dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills. And honestly, I prefer this one. I'm not even gonna lie. First of all, I don't feel guilty using it. And also, second of all, everything looks so natural. It's so weird because it looks more natural and also it's more blinding. But it's not too blinding to the point where like you can tell that you're wearing highlighter, which is awesome. I'm gonna be using this kind of like champagne-y color. And then I'm gonna mix it maybe with like a bit of this one, just like a dab, just because I don't want my highlighter to stick out too much. Like I still want it to kind of blend in to my skin. So you can still see some imperfections, but you know what? It's all good. Okay, yeah, so not bad. My brows are so messed. This makeup tutorial. Don't follow this makeup tutorial. My biggest tips in this whole makeup look is don't follow it. If you want to know how to get glass skin, go on Gina's channel. Much more educated than I am. Anyway, she's like the picture of the takeout on the website, whereas like I am the takeout that you actually get. Not to be self-deprecating, okay? I love myself, okay? Love yourself, don't be self-deprecating. But with that being said, she's very gorgeous. Anyway, that is my, I don't even know. Yeah, I resonated a lot with that movie and I related a lot. So thank you, Bo Burnham, for creating that divine piece of work. This is just the Tarte lip paint in Instafamous. My favorite. It smells like birthday cakes or something. So if anything, if this whole look did not go and turn out good, at least I have nice lips. That movie just got me in one of those melancholy moods that I'm just like, I don't know what is life. I like doing my makeup and chatting because it just lets me get out all my emotions. Thank you for being my therapist. I appreciate it. So yeah, comment down below what other look you want me to do or attempt or challenge or something like that, even though this did not turn out. If you have a good day, good night, wherever you're watching this. Please subscribe if you want to see more of me. I post every Sunday and Thursday and maybe can creep up to 3 times a week. We shall see with my producing where it goes. I'll let you of course know if I release anything. You of course, my people will be the first to know. I hope you enjoyed. Like this video because it means a lot, and comment of course what else you want to see from me, what other topics you want me to talk about, advice, whatever. And yeah, peace.